Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. What I hold in my hand is a golden ticket and an awesome collab. I'm not allowed to open it until this video. So let's get to this. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. When I was contacted by Loz Harrop, I'll put his information up here and in the description. If I wanted to do a collab and he would make me some Damascus, I can't even speak. I'm so excited. Yeah, he contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a collab and he would make me some Damascus. And man, whew, I jumped right on it. I watch all his videos and man, I've been a fan of his for a while. He does some awesome work. But he said I couldn't open it until I got on camera. So I've just been holding on to it for all day and waiting for the last 10 days. And man, now I feel like a kid in the candy store. It's mine, it's mine. Alright, so make sure to like it if you like it, dislike if you don't. But hey man, this is an awesome collab, so you can't dislike this. But if you do, I don't know why you're here. Subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I want to get this open, so let's get on with it. I had to pause and get a knife. Now, let me say this. He asked me to open this on camera, and whatever my expression is when I open this, if it's anything except excitement, then it's because I'm thinking, how am I not going to ruin this blade? Because Christmases and all that, I love giving gifts, but I didn't like opening them because I always had to act fake and surprised and, oh boy, look at this. And I don't have that in me to act. Like I say, if I open this and my face isn't anything except like, oh man, check that out, it's because I'm thinking, oh man, how am I not going to ruin this? Alright, enough said, let's get to it. I should have set up another camera. Oh man, the suspense continues, I can't even talk. He said it's fine, you know, Damascus bar in, and he's sure I'll make a great knife. All the best, Loz. Then he put P.S. Take it easy. Right on. I guess I should have set up 2 or 3 more cameras, but you guys know if you've watched me for a while, I'm horrible with names. LOZHARROPs. Like I said, I'm going to put it up here, I'm going to put it in the description and all that, and the name should be right here anyway. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name, it's hard. So Loz is what I think, you know, but I hope that's right. Let's see what we got here. I'm nervous, Oh man. Oh, he just sent, oh, I thought he shaped a knife out of it. Uh-oh, that means I gotta shape a knife out of it. Yeah, man. Woo. Alright, so it says 17 HRC 1095. I had to do a few takes because I'm blind. Even though I got my best glasses on, I'm still blind. So here we go. I can see that pattern in it. Woo. Yeah, man. Can't wait to do this. I thought he shaped a blade and I would have to come up with it. It's all up to me. Right on, right on. So now we just got to figure out what we're going to do with it. Oh, man. See, I'm probably like, I'm not even concentrating on the camera. I'm like, man, what am I going to do not to mess this one up? Yeah, man. I'm going to have to take a second and draw something up first, and then we'll be back. Well, I might as well put my headphones on and draw this out for you. It'll probably be high speed, but you'll see my thinking process and what I'm going to turn this into. Make sure I have my alcohol here because I'm sure I'm going to be wiping this off a million times. Let's get to it. it's almost like he made this billet for me. Yeah, I mean, basically. Right on, man. I appreciate that. Whew. Yeah. Now let's see. I only got a little bit of cutting on the bandsaw, and the rest is on the grinder, and then we're going to have to put some jimping in it, and yeah. Right on, right on. Bam! Ha ha! Woo! Alright, let's get to the bandsaw. Actually, I'll just meet you at the mill to do my jimping. I'm going to hit it on the bandsaw and then just kind of even it out with the grinder and stuff. Which isn't really going to take much on the grinder, I'll tell you that much. Haha! Man, I'm almost more excited to see what my expression when I opened this was, because I'll tell you, I hope it's not disappointment, because I thought he actually made a blade like this and sent it to me. To actually send me a piece to let me design my own knife, I was surprised by that. So I really hope I don't look disappointed, because I'm all giddy like a kid inside. Who better to make my first piece of Damascus with, man? That's awesome. Now, you guys might see in my old videos, I had a piece of Damascus that I did the bevels on for Heath. Yeah, he designed the knife. I just grind the bevel. So I worked on the Damascus, but I didn't finish it or anything. This one, we're going to have some fun with. I don't want people to be like, this isn't your first piece of Damascus. I saw that other video. No, this is my first piece of Damascus. Haters beware. I got you covered. All right, I'll meet you at the mill. So I lied. I figured since I'm always doing everything on my horizontal grinder, I would just do this here for guys. Now you can set up a tool rest like this, you know, and hold your knife against it. We'll just go with this. In case you don't have a tool rest or something. You want to hold your blade straight as possible. All right. Now you guys might have to build a top platen if you want to do this. Gotta put some sunglasses on here. There we go. To the mill. Woo! Yeah. Man, that wasn't that much work at all. Man. I can't wait to get this one. Woohoo! I'm gabbing enough. I'll see you at the mill. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to get let down like this because I'm trying to focus on this. It'll probably be my back most of the time anyway, and the other two cameras, but you never know. It's always good when you have three cameras to make sure they can all see what you're doing. We're just going to do the sharpening notch. I forgot what it was called for a second. And then we're going to do the jimping. Alright, here's how I do my jimping. I put my thumb on the hand, I put my thumb on the knife, and then get a splinter in my thumb. No, I have to get that out. Boom, got my thumb here. Here's where I want the front. Here's where I want the back. There we go. Now everything in between, I start at this one and then just, well, you'll see what I do. Let me go get this damn splinter out of my thumb. By the way, if you get a splinter, you can use calipers to pull it out, if you can get to it. All right, we're all secure. Let's get this going. I'm gonna put up in the corner the DRO so you can see it moving, just for the fun of it. Yeah, I got cemetery gates playing in my head, so Pantera. But I'm yeehawing about this. Boom. Yeah, man. See, that's one thing about the Sony camera. I can look straight up like that, and you think I'm looking at you. But this, I gotta look over here just to see what I'm doing. Bam. Yeah, man. He knows what I like, man. That's like the perfect shape of the... He couldn't have made that billet better. Yeah, that's right up my alley. Yeah, man. Alright. It's late, so I'll say to the grinder, but that's probably tomorrow. Alright, so that's about it. I got this all dykemed up, so when you see me in the next video wearing the same shirt, it's because I was editing all day and had to come down and do some knives. I had to just shoot this outro and go right into the next one. I got the knife dykemed up and all that good stuff. If you see me wearing the same shirt in the next video, you'll know why. I've been editing all day and I was like, man, I gotta go get some knife making done just for some sanity reasons. Make sure to go check out Loz's video. I'll put a link in the description and all that stuff. Go check it out. I watched it. And I'm dying to see what he makes too. It should be a fun project. Alright, like if you like, dislike if you don't. Either way, you know, it's your choice. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I got shirts like this and 3 other types that are up on my website. Website is the first link in the description. Well, second link because Loz's video is going to be up there first. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, shirts, I got 4 knives. Amazon links and all that stuff. Amazon links are also in the description. Man, I can't thank Loz enough, man. I know you're watching this, so I really appreciate you doing this for me. Couldn't have a better person give me my first piece of Damascus. So on to the bevels to try to make this better. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, take it easy.